What is up, everybody? Welcome to Stock Talk with Nico Criticos. Today, I'm going to show you 3 stocks in the stock market that are great deals right now. So, right off the bat, these are not high growth stocks. Okay, these are just really strong companies that are not trading where they should be, and mostly because over the past few months, these stocks have been beaten down a lot, or they just haven't been moving where they should. So, first example is Alibaba. Okay, this is one of the largest companies in China, and they're pretty much their business model is similar to Amazon, and they're involved in so many different things that it's hard to see the stock not going up because they're such a dominant player in all these different industries. And if we look at, for example, they grew revenue 37% year over year. And so they have all these new things like Alibaba Cloud that are just starting to become profitable. And so, I mean, they have almost 1 billion people in China using their services. So the main reason this stock has been down, if we look at the past year, we could see this in October, the stock hit $317 a share, and then it came all the way down to $230. So, and I started buying at $244. So the main thing is over the last 6 months, the reason this stock has been going down is because of speculation about breaking up the company or antitrust laws and stuff like that. But what happened a couple of days ago was they got fined $2.8 billion and the case was settled. And that $2.8 billion is pretty much nothing because that's only about 4% of their revenue. So for them, that's nothing. So from now on, for the next couple of months, we should see the stock go back up to $300. And still, long term, this is a great hold to have. So that's the first one. Second one we're going to go to is Shopify, okay? And Shopify is a little bit different because this one's not really beaten down. This one is more of just it hasn't moved in the last 6 months. In the last 6 months, mainly because it's already went up a lot. It's up, in the last 5 years, it's up over 3,000%. But I mean, this stock was trading at the same price, over 10 months ago. So I mean, right now at around $1,000 or $1,100 a share, it's gonna go up a lot from here because if we look at, for example, on their investor presentation, we can see they are second in the online retail space, only behind Amazon, and so they have more market share than Walmart. So a business model like Shopify is going to keep growing for years to come, and we can see that just in 2020 was the first year they were actually reported a profit. So it's still kind of the beginning for this company. They still have a long ways to go. And as more people realize the benefit of putting their business online, then more people are going to sign up for their services. And this stock should be at least $2,000, if not more, at some point in the future. So we have that. And this one, I mean, it hit 1,400 back in February, and then it came down, and it's been hovering around this $1,200, $1,100 mark. So if you can get it under $1,200, then it's a great deal. So that's the second one. Now, the next one is going to be Salesforce, okay? So they are the largest CRM company in the world, okay? And they dominate this market. And what we can see is in September, the stock hit $280 a share, okay? Then what happened was, similar to Alibaba, over the last 8 months or whatever, the stock has been downtrending because they acquired Slack. Okay, Slack is it's a software company, and they bought them for $28 billion. Okay, and a lot of investors thought that was not worth it, mainly because Slack they're not profitable. So that's the problem there. However, Salesforce still says that Slack is going to be a huge benefit to their business model, and it's going to help out in a lot of ways. And there's a lot of smart investors out there like Chamath and stuff who say that Slack is a super powerful company. So I didn't see that as a negative. I see that as a positive. But pretty much in the short term, Slack is going to be a little bit of a problem to Salesforce because they just paid $28 billion and the company's Slack's not even profitable. But long term, that's going to be a benefit for them. Okay. So, if you can get this stock, let's say under $240, then long term, it's a good play because this stock is in such a good position that you're not going to have to worry. So those are my 3 stocks that are good deals out there, and let me know if you're buying any.